Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let's see today's problem, dice row. So given the n dice, dice, each with the m faces, given the number of ways to get the sum x, which is summation of the values on each face when all the dice are thrown. So in this question, we are given n dices with m faces, and we need to find the number of ways in which these dices, when thrown, will sum equal to x. So sorry for the noise. And we need to find a number of ways. So in this like for example, if m is 6 and n is 3, and we need to get the sum by these rolling these 3 dices with 6 faces, to get the sum 6 12, we have 25 ways. So something like that. So we can solve this problem using the recursive solution. So let's see the code here. So we will call this function m, which will take arguments mn, which will be the faces on the dice and the number of dice and the sum. So if we don't have any dice, and if the sum is also 0, that means we don't need to do anything. We will return 1 because we have one way, else we will return 0 because we have no dices, but we still have x, so we will return 0 ways. And we will iterate over the m faces. We will check for the from 1 to m faces of a die, and if x minus I, which means we have a positive sum, positive or equal sum, we call it recursively for n minus 1 dices. And for the recursive call, we will take the result in the rest variable and sum it over the 1 to m times, and then return the answer. So the recursive solution will give time limit exit, so we'll be using a dynamic programming solution. So the variable length parameters are n and x, the sum and the number of dice. So we will take a 2D DP of n plus 1 and x plus 1 size, and we will initialize to -1. We will check in the DP if n and x has been previously have been calculated or not. If they are calculated, we will just simply return that, else we will just store it in the answer. So this is the memorization part. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.